What is integer? Well, let's take a look at this number line right here. Here we have natural numbers that we naturally count things with. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 6 apples, 9 apples, 11 apples, 100 apples. We count things in this natural number. And when we don't have any apples, we say, oh, we have a 0 apple, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, and on. We use these numbers all the time, every day. Now, what is an integer again? Well, integer is all these numbers plus all the opposite of these numbers. Or in fancy math term, we say additive inverse. And it pretty much means opposite, right? So opposite of 0 is 0, but opposite of 1 is -1. Opposite of 2 is -2. Opposite of 3 is -3. And we see the relationship right here. Well, opposite of 0 is 0, so it stays right there. But opposite of 1 is -1 right here. You see that? And opposite of 2 is -2. Opposite of 3 is -3. And it goes equal distance from 0, but to the other direction. So integer is all the negative numbers, which are opposite of the natural numbers we counted, plus 0. So on this number line, we have -10, -9, -8, -7, all the way to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everything. These are called integers. So how do we know which is bigger? Well, naturally, we know that 3 is bigger than 1, right? We say 3 apples is more than 1 apple, right? Or 7 is bigger than 3. 7 apples are more than 3 apples. What? Right, so this is natural way of knowing that which is bigger number or which is less number, smaller number. But what about the negative numbers? Well, to put it simply, we see this number line. When you have a number on the left, that's less, that's a smaller number. And when you have number on the right side, that's bigger number, greater number, right? So if you look at it, 3 is bigger than 1, greater than 1, right? Or 7 is greater than 3 because 7 lies right side of 3. The negative number, same thing. -6 is less than -3, while -3 is greater than -6 because -3 is on the right side and -6 is on the left side. Okay, so that's something that only thing that you need to keep in mind for now, and understand that integer are all the numbers from 0 and on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on, and then all the opposite of that. So opposite of 0 is 0, but all the opposite of 1 is -1, 2 is -2, 3 is -3. So including all these negative numbers, they are called integer. Okay.